Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Jamaican-based ITEL, formerly ITEL BPO, is expanding its physical footprint to the United States. In a release today, the company says it plans to open a 34,000 square foot contact center in Jeffersonville, Indiana. The facility, which is to open on the 1st of October this year, will be ITEL's first physical campus in the United States and will complement its work-at-home agents. From this site, ITEL will handle customer care calls, chat and email support for a Fortune 500 luxury fashion retail brand. It expects to provide an initial 150 jobs with plans to expand upwards of 300 employees in 2022. Citibank has been recognized as the best corporate digital bank in Jamaica by Global Finance magazine. The institution came out on top in the 22nd annual World's Best Digital Corporate Institutional Banks in Latin America competition for a second consecutive year. Citi was also awarded top spots in Latin America for 24 out of 27 with 14 country and sub-regional category awards. Refrigeration company CAC 2000 says it will be expanding its business offerings over the coming quarters. In an interview after the company's annual general meeting last week, CEO Gia Abrahams shared with the Business Day some of the new ventures.
CAC has gone full force into the air purification. Again, we did some of that, but much more on a commercial level, and now we're doing it both on a residential and commercial level. And we'll continue to do that because we see that as part of the way forward, especially in light of COVID. Other areas we're looking at will be water treatments and energy, all of which, when you look at a property, everything in there is part of the internal environmental quality, the plants, the water, how people sit, the ergonomics. So we will be looking to address those which are still part of our core functions, not necessarily every single one on the wheel.
She says plans to expand the business in the region have been thwarted due to the COVID-19 pandemic, prompting the company to review its expansion strategy.
As we were going through the process, persons kept having to stop what they were doing with the due diligence and just everything that is involved with regional expansion. So at this point, yes, we are still planning regional expansion. It may just look a little bit differently or take a little longer than what we expected because of what we're facing right now and travel restrictions.
The company has, however, seized an opportunity to provide cooling solutions to properties in Bermuda through a U.S.-based company. Now on to currency, the Jamaican dollar continues its run of appreciation against the U.S. currency. It's costing an average $148.64 for $1 US. The Canadian currency is trading at $115.99. $204.56 is the going rate for the pound and $177.64 for the euro. The JSE index declined by 1,812 points, while the junior market index gained 2 points. Among today's winners were Blue Power Group, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Medical Disposables and Supplies, Fesco and CAC 2000, while on the losing side were T-Tech, G-West Corporation, Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica, Paramount Trading Jamaica and Access Financial Services Limited. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. News from around the region and across the world right after the break. Stay with us.